Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pumpkin spice blondies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large heat-proof bowl and place in your pumpkin spice and white chocolate chips, followed by the butter. Then melt on 30-second intervals in the microwave until the mixture is fully melted. For me, I found about a minute and a half works best, but you may need more or less time. Remove from the microwave and give it a good whisk together, and it should look like this. It should be smooth and glossy. Then go ahead and add in the sugar and mix it in until it's fully incorporated. You will notice that the mixture does become more granular, completely normal for this stage of the recipe. To alleviate that and add the next ingredient, you'll want to add in the eggs and whisk those until they are fully incorporated. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix that in until it's fully incorporated. Add in the dry ingredients and just fold those in until they are fully incorporated. Feel free to add in the chocolate chips as well, and this is just, you want to mix until you have no traces of a single ingredient, so being careful not to over mix the mixture at this point, as otherwise you may result in a tough blondie batter. Then grab your 9x9 inch square baking pan, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and transfer the blondie batter into it. Then top that with some blonde chocolate spread, or whatever spread you have to hand. White chocolate would also work very well. And just place dollops on top, then swirl it all around until you're happy. And once you're happy, you can then place it into your preheated oven and bake it off. I will leave all the times, temperatures, ingredients and measures in the recipe, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested. But also check out baconrebelliot.com for all bacon recipes that you see on the channel. So straight from the oven, you'll want to finish off by just scattering over some of the pumpkin spice chips, and just, no need to be pretty about it, just scatter them over and let them melt on top. Then chill in the fridge until needed a little later on. I like to leave mine overnight. So here is what mine looked like the following day. I cut mine into 9 portions, so I do 4 cuts, and that's all you need to do. But if you want to make your portions bigger or smaller, you will need to adjust that, and you may get more or less portions in doing so. So just keep that in mind. So if you want more portions, feel free to cut these smaller. But again, the choice is up to you, and it really is your choice. I don't know who you're serving these to or what occasion, but here's what they look like on the inside. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.